August so far, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I want you to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram profile, you will have to go to August Add Yours at Highlights, which is here. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this, and you can check my other viral trends if you like. Like this one, for example. You can get a tutorial also. So there we have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose some photos from August. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, and to add a second photo you just have to click on stickers from the top and then scroll down and click on this plus icon. But if you want just one photo, you just have to post it like this. So guys, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Ali and John YTT profile, but this time you will have to go to Super Viral at Highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to my same YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button. So guys, if this video was useful for you, you can like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.